Hello, friend. Welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. We are a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. We are here today to think about something important: how to rest well in our busy, modern world. Do you feel tired sometimes? Do you feel like you look at a screen too often? Maybe your eyes feel tired, or your mind feels full of too much information. This is very common. Many of us look at many screens every day: our phones, our computers, the television. We use the internet for many hours. This is our screen time. Today, we talk about stopping screen time for a while. We talk about taking a conscious break. We call this idea a digital detox. It is a simple concept, but it is a very powerful way to help your brain rest and your energy return. What does the word detox mean? It means taking out something that makes you tired or stressed. Digital detox means taking a break from digital devices. The simplest way to think of this is to unplug. Think about your phone or a laptop. When it runs out of battery, what must you do? You must plug it into the wall. You must stop using it so it can recharge. Our brains are like a battery too. When we use screens all day, our mental battery gets low. We need time to recharge our mental energy. Screens give us much information very quickly. We see many new messages, new pictures, and new tasks every minute. This makes our brain work very, very hard. When your brain works hard without rest, it can feel noisy inside your head. You might feel stressed, nervous, or unable to focus on one task. This noisy, stressed feeling is a clear sign that you need to unplug. How can you start your digital detox? You do not need to quit technology forever. You can start very small. First, try creating short, screen-free periods of time. For example, maybe put your phone away for 1 hour. Put it in a different room where you cannot see it or hear it. Or maybe do not look at any screen in the hour before you sleep. If you read a paper book instead of a phone before bed, your eyes will rest. This small act helps you sleep better and deeper. When you unplug, you stop the outside noise. You give your mind the quiet it needs. When you are free from screens, your time feels different. This is time to look around you. Look at the real world. You can focus on things right in front of you. Maybe you see nature outside your window. Maybe you notice the simple movements of your cat or the happy sound of rain. This is quality time. This quiet time helps your mind to organize all the information you learned during the day. It's like cleaning a room in your brain. When you allow your mind to rest and clean itself, you are recharging. You feel less stressed. You focus more easily later when you must work or study. Digital detox is not about fighting technology. It is about creating balance. We use technology to connect and to learn, but we must also connect with ourselves and rest our true energy. Remember these two simple words: unplug to recharge. Taking a break from screens is important. Your mind, your eyes, and your body deserve this deep rest. It is a loving action toward yourself. Look for a small chance today, just 5 minutes, when you can put down your screen. Go outside and just look up at the sky, or sit quietly and just listen to the quiet. This act of balancing your digital time and your real time is an essential skill for modern life. Be kind to yourself. Give yourself permission to rest your mind today. Thank you for listening and reflecting with us. You are learning English and you are learning how to live well. We are here whenever you are ready to listen and learn simple, useful English. Until then, take care.